Maddie, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the Bantu knot style in my hair. And I actually just finished washing my hair, so it's a little dry up here. I'm not exactly sure how I want it to look. I know like a few placements that I know what I want it to look like. I don't have any product in it. I didn't put my leave-in conditioner this time so that I could do it down here. I got my leave-in conditioner. I got the Honey Curls jelly, and I have the xoxo taming cream. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. Most likely I am, but I decided to go with the Honey Curls jelly because it's less of a hold and it won't make my hair as crunchy. I have some rubber bands just in case I need it. Now, while I cannot guarantee that the back of my hair is gonna, be as straight as I want it to be, I can guarantee that the final results will be popping, So, it feels straight. Is it straight? So I'm gonna wet this portion of my hair. I'm gonna take my taming cream. And then I'm gonna take my Honey Curls jelly. That'll be the last product I put on there. And this is just to like hold. So I'm gonna start twisting it from the root so it's nice and tight. But the direction that the hair is going in already, that's where I'm gonna be twisting. This is tight. So it's pretty much like held in place, but I'm gonna secure it with this tiny rubber band. I don't know where I read this thing, but it's like you put your rubber bands in like any hair oil and it'll help it from like not breaking off the hair. See, look, it's already like starting to come out. So I'm gonna go do that with my Wild Growth hair oil, and I'm gonna put that on the rubber bands, but I'll be right back because I have to get like a small container. I don't know where I read it, so don't quote me on anything, but it doesn't seem like too half bad of an idea. Oh, girls, pulling out my edges in the back.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to.
Okay, let's see if this line is straight. Also, if you see my busted up nail polish, mind your business.
In between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not be that little boy in the club? 'Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her wig? You telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get straight. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just call me to tell
Ooh.
me for dead, and now they want that it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Backyard it look like the garden they eat it. Pillows all clear, them spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, hop out her wig. You telling me Tay is the best. Pointed the nigga who act like a killer, but you only work from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get straight. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, round Drake. Even though I got Decay, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want that it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Backyard it look like the garden they eat it.
Alright, so I know you see my face. One, I'm excited because look at my Bantu Knots. They look so, okay. I'm excited to be finished because this has taken me so long, but it looks so good. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching me put Bantu Knots in my hair, make sure to give my video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more curly hair videos. Bye!
Chill as if we comparing. Where the smoke, I know there's fire, but I can't